pull the trigger.
Are you scared? Because I am.
Tuck it all the way back. Yes, sir.
You're not pulling the trigger?
Pick that one up, Papa.
Oh, so it fell on the ground?
Okay.
Oh, there we go. Let go.
Come on, Karen. Don't you know your guns, man?
No, it's okay.
No, you don't have to.
have to do that.
Like, that's what you had to think. So, ahorita no quedó. You have to go all the way back, Karen.
All the way back?
Yeah.
Then
And
just...
then
Okay, it was loaded.
Okay, so that's all I gotta do. I don't have to...
It's ready.
hold on.
And you shouldn't have to do it
You just keep shooting?
unless it jams.
Ah, that was a long...
Where are you shooting them?
I'm trying to aim, but I can't. Oh, wrong eye, that's why.
You hit the edge.
Little higher. Oh, you see the ricochet you did?
You hit the ground.
Yeah, you hit the ground right close.
Does it kick?
Not really.
Not at all, huh? Yeah.
Not at all.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh, I heard
That was way over there.
that weird.
You're like all over. Oh, that's the ricochet that like. Did you see the thing? God.
Okay, Karen, aim.
Where should I aim at?
He's having fun. Look at those casquillos flying.
Good.
Okay, now you're.
Good.
Hold on, that's it.
Is that all the bullets? That's it.
How many? There were a bunch of. Here's 4 that I picked up.
Thank you.
Oh, that was fun.
Was that fun?
You got it out of your system, boy?
Wanting to do it.
I'm gonna go get one more gun. This is my real pride and joy. I'm gonna let you shoot.
Ready? Okay.
Is it through raining?
Pretty much, yes.